Hi everyone, welcome to Life Made Simply. My name is Nikki. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you an easy home decor DIY. I'll be making some gold dipped accent pieces. So I've been seeing this trend lately and I thought it'd be really easy to recreate and something affordable to do. Most of the products that I'm using you can find at the craft store, and the items that I have that I'm actually using for the DIY I got at the thrift store for really cheap. So be sure to check your thrift store for really affordable finds, or you can use what you already have. If you are new here to this channel, consider subscribing to be notified of my new home decor videos, and be sure to check the description box below for my social media and my website. Without further ado, let's get on to the DIY. Choose a glass or acrylic container that fits your style and needs. These are both just $1.99 from Goodwill. To create a matching tray, find a picture frame you can repurpose. Start by prepping the items by removing any stickers using rubbing alcohol and wiping off any dust or residue. Remove the backing from the frame and take it apart. We will be spraying the frame itself and the glass. Time to tape off the containers. Using painter's tape, leave about 1 to 1.5 inches exposed at the bottom, taping around, being sure the tape is as straight as possible, or you can angle it for a different effect. To protect the top, tape down some paper or plastic wrap. You can even create stripes or different patterns depending on how tall it is or the style that you prefer. Choose a metallic paint of your choice, and for the frame I decided to use a white semi-gloss. Turn the objects upside down and spray paint thin layers, leaving time in between to dry. A hack is to use a Lazy Susan tray to spin it while spraying to get the most even layers. Once they are completely dry, carefully remove the tape. You should have some crisp lines. I love the contrast it gives, and it looks great on white and the glass surfaces. You notice how the glass bulb looks with the gold underneath. I love that it has that pop of color. For the matching tray, simply reassemble the frame with the non-sprayed side up on the glass. This way it doesn't get scratched and it gives a nice mirrored effect. Now you can proudly display and use your new decor pieces. You can use them to hold cosmetics on your vanity, use them to organize your kitchen counter, or put them at your desk. You can also spray vases for floral arrangements or succulent flower pots. There are so many possibilities. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment on how you would recreate this DIY. I hope you guys enjoy this DIY. It's as simple as that. Be sure to check the description box for links and more information. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!